Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2336 for the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, June 7th, 2020. It's 11:06 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:06 p.m. Central Time, and 8:06 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Ed 5 spots, DG 2, Rinsky 7, JM 6, Mike with 1, WD 2, CR 3, Earmule 2, and Spa with 3 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Ed's on top, Spa on the bottom once, twice. So after the 7th time, that would be our list. With CR on top, WD on the bottom. CR has the Ducks, Ed Coyotes, Rinsky Bruins, JM Sabres, Spa Flames, Mike Hurricanes, Rinsky Blackhawks, Mule with the Avalanche, Spa Blue Jackets, Ed Stars, WD Red Wings, Mule with the Oilers, Rinsky Panthers, JM Kings, Ed Wild, CR Canadians, DG with the Predators, Rinsky Devils, JM Islanders, CR Rangers, JM Senators, Ed with the Flyers, Rinsky Penguins, Ed Blues, Spa with the Sharks, DG Lightning, Rinsky Maple Leafs, Canucks, JM Golden Knights, Capitals, and WD with the Winnipeg Jets. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And we got an extra seal. Empty. Rookie auto, Austin Wagner for the Kings. The Los Angeles Kings, Austin Wagner. Very nice. Let's see who has the LA Kings. That's going to JM. Congrats, JM, on the Austin Wagner rookie auto number 51 from the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. That was break 2336. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then right after that, we'll have 2350 for the Gold Rush signed and slabbed autograph hockey card. Thanks.